Are your acrylics drying too quickly? We have the answer. So the Open Medium has drying retarder in it, but it has a special binder that allows the paint, once dry, to also be water-fast. And it doesn't matter how much of the Open Medium you use. So you can use 5% Open Medium to your paint or 5% paint to the Open Medium. It really doesn't matter. Why would you add only 5% paint? Because the Open Medium gives a fantastic translucent finish, and so it's terrific for glazing as well. So the benefits of using Open Medium with your paint is that you get much longer to blend colours, to cover larger areas with a nice even coverage. And also Open Medium can be used with any of the Matisse range.